It's December 16, 2016. It's what, 2 weeks before Christmas?
Something like that.
And what did Santa bring you this year?
My new back.
A new back. So Santa Claus is right here at the Surgery Center Viera, Deukmedjian Institute. And this young lady just had a 2-level lumbar decompression infusion. She had some scoliosis at 04551. We did some osteotomies, put in interbody cages at 4551 and pedicle screws and rods. We got out of the operating room 3 hours ago. And where are you going now?
Home?
Home. And not until you...
Dance?
All right, so you ready?
Okay.
All right,
What
you
do I
gotta do it.
What do I do? Do I just do whatever?
Whatever you feel comfortable
Walk,
doing.
shake.
Are you walking and shaking?
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle,
There you
wiggle.
Not bad for someone who just had a 2-level lumbar fusion.
Oh my gosh. I'm
And
so
she's got her
surprised right
Uggs
now.
on. There you go. You got a new dancing partner, right, with wheels.
Come on, let's do this.
You
Like
see,
that?
she's got her Christmas ornaments too, right here.
Woo!
All right, how you feeling?
Good. Thank you so much.
How's your leg?
It's actually better. Like in the back of my leg, it's so much different. I'm gonna cry. I can't feel the pain anymore.
Good. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Woo!